Okay, so a lot of people ask, how do you clean windows streak-free? There's a ton of methods you'll hear out there about, you know, old newspaper and stuff. That's a myth. That doesn't, newspapers have changed since then, so that doesn't work anymore. The key for a clean windshield is 2 towels or more. So you got these plush towels. The best thing that we have actually found is waterless wash. There are dedicated glass cleaners. We have dedicated glass cleaners in case a client wants it, but primarily waterless wash is what we use. And we have this squeegee we got from Amazon. So I'll show you how we do it. So we're gonna use this squeegee. We're gonna squeegee top to bottom. The reason you get streaks with your windshield when you're cleaning it is because stuff is dirty and it tracks around. So the first thing I do is I squeegee it off, and then I'll take a clean towel. I'll wipe it this way. And then I'll take a second towel I showed you earlier in the product video this P&S interior cleaner, and it's really a simple product to use. You just spray it on your towel and just clean it. It works on leather, it works on plastic, whether it's, you know, coated or not. And if you want to get real specific, there's all kind of brushes and stuff that are meant for crevices. We always recommend ceramic coating your interior, especially if you have leather. It'll make stains come off easier. We have it on all of our surfaces because this like tan colored leather that comes on our i8 is really kind of easy to stain. So there's like a little mark right there. And also, believe it or not, a lot of these plastic surfaces and stuff, just use waterless wash. And you'll see we've ceramic coated all these surfaces. So you see how it'll kind of fall off and bead. We ceramic coat everything.